Hello students, welcome back to online class. I am Lakshmi Miss here and today I am going to teach you English subject for the class 4th. So students, we have learned in the last lecture a lesson, a great leader. In this lesson we have learned about Mahatma Gandhi ji. What we have learned? Did you remember that? We have learned about Mahatma Gandhi ji, who was a famous leader in the world. We have learned in this lesson about Mahatma Gandhi ji, his disciplines, his values, about his clothing sense. We have all these things we have learned in the lesson, a great leader. Okay students, so you read this lesson once again, understand it very properly. In this lecture we are going to learn the question and answer from the lesson, a great leader. Okay student, so without wasting time we will start it. First question is what given here. Look at here. Write the meaning of the following with the help of the passage. Look at here students, we have to write the meaning of the words. Here is given some word and we have to write the meaning of that word. Look at here, first word is given that a man of iron will. It means a man with a great determination. A man of iron will. It means in English the meaning of a man of iron will is that a man with a great determination. It means a person who have decided I will do that and he complete that things. If there is any any problems it will come, any barriers it will come in his way, then also he will complete his what he decided, he will complete that thing. Okay students, that is a strong determination or it is a great determination. A man of iron will, it means a man with a great determination. Okay students, did you understand? We will see the next word. The next word is given here, loin cloth. Loin cloth means a single piece of cloth wrapped around the hips. Loin cloth, it means a single piece of cloth wrapped around the hips. That in this word it came in the lesson, a great leader, when Gandhiji wore the cloths. That cloths, it's called a loin cloths. He wears loin cloths and a shawl. That much only he wear, and that loin cloths, it means a single piece of cloth that wrapped around the hips. Okay students, now we will see the next word is non-violence. Non-violence, situation in which someone avoid the fighting and physical force. What is meant by the non-violence? Non-violence, it means uh, non-violence, it means someone's avoid the fighting. He don't like to fight with a physical force. How we have to fight? It means he don't like the fight with a physical force. Non-violence म्हणजे मुलांनो सिच्युएशन इन विच, म्हणजे अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये की काही माणसे असतात जे काय करतात की फायटिंग म्हणजे भांडण अवॉइड करतात, भांडण टाळतात. अँड फिजिकल फोर्स म्हणजे जे आपण हाणामारी म्हणतो, धक्काबुक्की म्हणतो, एकमेकाला हाताने मारणे किंवा शस्त्राने मारणे, एखाद्या हत्यारानं मारणे, याला काय म्हटलं जातं? याला व्हायलन्स म्हटलं जातं. आणि जे लोक अशा पद्धतीने व्हायलन्स करत नाहीत, म्हणजे हाताने मारत नाही, धक्काबुक्की करत नाही, शांत राहणं माणसं पत्करतात, परंतु त्यांचा लढा कायम असतो शांत राहूनही. तो कोणता मार्ग वापरत नाहीत? हिंसेचा मार्ग वापरत नाही. म्हणजे एखाद्याला खूप मारणं, हाताने असेल, काठीनं असेल किंवा एखाद्या शस्त्रानं असेल, एखाद्याला मारणं, हा मार्ग ते अवलंबत नाहीत. त्याला काय म्हणायचं मुलांनो? त्याला नॉन व्हायलन्स म्हणायचं. आणि जे अशा पद्धतीनं म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने जे वागतात, भांडण करतात, फायटिंग करतात विथ अ फिजिकल फोर्स, त्याला व्हायलन्स म्हणायचं, हिंसा म्हणायचं. एखाद्याला मारणं ही हिंसा आहे आणि एखाद्याला न मारणं ही काय आहे? अहिंसा आहे. आणि हे कोणी सांगितलं मुलांना आपल्याला? हे गांधीजींनी सांगितलं. वी हॅव लर्न्ड इन दिस लेसन that is the important values in this non-violence is one of the important value of the our great leader Mahatma Gandhi. Okay students, so we will see the next question. Look at here. The next question is given here. From the passage, find the bigger words that include the words given here. Look at here students, we have to find the bigger words that include the words given here. First answer is, we will look at here the words. We have to check this word, loving, lovingly. Then next, fashion, fashionable, woman, womanfolk, great, greatest. We have to search the bigger words from the passage. This is very easy question. Now we will see the question number 3. What is question number 3 is given? Answer the following questions with yes or no. It means we have to write or we have to give the answer of the questions in the yes or no. Look at here. First question is asked here. Did Gandhiji use any weapons? Answer is no. Did Gandhiji use any weapons? It means गांधीजींनी कोणते शस्त्र वापरले होते का? वापरले होते का मुलांनो गांधीजींनी? म्हणजे चाकू असेल किंवा तलवार असेल, सॉर्ड असेल, नाईफ असेल, गन असेल. Did he use any weapons? Did you listen anywhere or did you read anywhere that Gandhiji used any weapons? No. Yes, this is answer is no. Okay, he didn't use any weapons. His weapons was non-violence. Okay student, non-violence his greatest weapons of Mahatma Gandhiji. Okay students, so we will see the next question. Did Gandhiji ever miss his prayers? Answer is no. Did Gandhiji ever miss his prayer? We have learned this incident about his prayer incident. We have learned in the lesson, and we have learned there that from that day Gandhiji never miss his prayer. Okay students, now we will see the next question. Could Gandhiji afford the fancy clothes? Look at here students, Gandhiji afford fancy clothes, and answer is yes. He has that much capacity to wear a good clothes. It means coat, jacket, tie. He was too much a rich person, but he didn't wear that clothes. Okay students, that is affordable for him. He can purchase that expensive clothes and he can wear that expensive clothes, but he didn't wear that expensive clothes because he know the condition of their peoples. It means our India's people. He know the condition of India's people. He saw in various places about the condition of people, so he sacrifices that clothes. So how our Indian people wear the clothes, like that way he also choose the clothes for himself. Okay students, did you understand? So we will see and again questions. Look at here. Next question, look at here. Did the king receive Gandhi at his place? Gandhiji, sorry. Did the king receive Gandhiji at his palace? Answer is yes. Look at here students. Did the king receive Gandhiji at his palace? Do you know when Gandhiji went somewhere? One incident is given in the lesson that Gandhiji went for the meeting or for the conference. He went there, and that time that king came there. You know that incident, you read in your textbook. That time king came there to receive the Gandhiji at his palace. Okay, so we will see the next. Did Gandhiji change his style of dress for the reception? Answer is no. Look at here students. Here is given that गांधीजी जेव्हा कॉन्फरन्सला गेले होते तेव्हा त्या कॉन्फरन्ससाठी त्या रिसेप्शनिस्टनी जो ड्रेस दिला होता त्यांना चेंज करण्यासाठी, तो गांधीजींनी स्वीकारला का, घेतला का, त्यांनी ड्रेस चेंज केला का? काय येते मुलांना त्याचं आन्सर? नो. नाही, त्यांनी तो चेंज केला नाही. ते ज्या क्लॉथ्समध्ये होते इंडियन क्लॉथ्समध्ये, ते इंडियन क्लॉथ्समध्ये त्या राजाला भेटण्यासाठी गेले, त्या किंगला भेटण्यासाठी गेले. समजलं म्हणून तुम्हाला. सो स्टुडंट्स, वी हॅव लर्न हिअर द क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर yes, whether yes or no. Okay, now we will see the next question. Find and copy any two sentences containing not from the passage. Look at here, students, we have to find the two sentences. In that sentences, not word came. Okay, students, we have to search in our textbook, in our lesson, a great leader. The two sentences we have to search there. In that sentences, not that word came there. Look at here, I have written here sentences that Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. Look at here, students, here is what word came? Not. We will next see the next example. In Odisha, however, the women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. Here is also came the word not. So we have to search it, find it in our lesson, the great leader, and we have to write that sentences. Okay, students, this is all for today. Today we have seen the question and answer from the lesson, a great leader. So students, read that question and answer, write in your notebook. Thanks for watching this video. This is all for today. We will meet in the next video with a new lesson, new topics. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy and keep study. Thank you.